I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 into a decade-old PC. First thing, what you need to do is go to this website. So this is the website. And then you will need an account. After you have an account, you have to search for Tiny 11 ISO. And then you choose the Tiny 11, this one, and then you download one ISO image. It might take some time. After you download the ISO file, you need to save it. Like this. And then what you need to do is go make a bootable USB by Woofers. After you download its ISO, you remove the USB and then you put it on the computer that you want to install with. After you install Tiny 11,
have to select
you go to this Woofers website and then choose the one. Click yes to open. And then choose non-bootable. Now is your chance to plug the USB. And then select the type of ISO. Click open. And then make sure you choose GPT. Then you click start. Click OK. It might take some time. Go to the boot menu. And then choose the USB. It's installing Windows 11. And you just start the installation. And then you choose your language, time of currency format, and your keyboard. Click next. I accept the current license. Click next. Now you need to erase the memory. Choose this one, click next, and it's going to do the installation. Then you will need to give some information. What region? I choose the United States. The keyboard is US. Let's keep. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. It's checking for updates. Keep your PC on. It's welcoming me. And then you have to name your PC. If you want, you can add a password. I just click next. And then choose this. I accept. This might take a few minutes. So this is how you install Windows 11 on a old PC. Like decades old. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.